Add buttercream to your sponge and fresh fruits for filling. Repeat for the second layer. Make a crumb coat by fully covering the sides and top of your cake with buttercream evenly. Refrigerate your cake about 15 minutes and then apply a second layer. Since this cake is going to have an ocean theme, make waves in the second coat of buttercream by tapping lightly to make texture all over the top and sides. Add any fruit you like by sticking them in between the textured part of the frosting. You can use any fruit you want, but leave some of your buttercream visible. Refrigerate for another 15 minutes to stiffen your buttercream and lock your fruits in place. Mix half of the water and gelatin in a bowl, and boil the other half. Add the vanilla essence. Pour the almost boiled mixture into the bowl of the other half and mix thoroughly. The gelatin needs to be room temperature before we add it to the cake, otherwise it will melt the buttercream. Make a structure to hold the cake and gelatin together by using plastic wrap, a cake ring, plastic cake roll, a round base and tin foil. Cut your cake wrap to size and place it inside the cake ring to hold the gelatin in place. Put your mold over the cake and secure it for the gelatin. Secure your base, and make sure the plastic wrap is on top of the foil, as this will retain the gelatin with less leaks. You can pour sugar at the base of the mold to soak any gelatin that leaks out. Gently add your gelatin to the mold. Be careful not to pour strong, as this will melt your buttercream design. Refrigerate at least 1 hour. Remove the cake and start undoing the molds. Finally, remove the cake ring, and you're ready to serve. This recipe takes for granted that you already have the sponge and buttercream ready. If you need to learn how to make those, check out our videos.